Hello, my students. Prep 2. Can you live in the dark? Of course not. So, in this lesson, we will talk about the importance of light and the nature of it. Firstly, what's meant by the light? The light is an external factor or stimulus that affects the eye, causing the sense of vision. What is the nature of light waves? Light waves are electromagnetic waves. That means they propagate through vacuum. And they are transverse. That means the medium particles vibrate perpendicular to the direction of the wave propagation. Break 2, speed is a distance over time. So, the speed of light is the distance covered by light in only 1 second. Pay attention, the measuring unit of distance will be meter and time measured in second. Visible light. Visible light, it is one of the components of electromagnetic spectrum of wavelengths ranges between 380 to 700 nanometer. Analysis of white light. It is a splitting of white light into 7 colors, called spectrum colors. They are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Students of Geel 2000, come with me to solve this exercise. Complete the following. Number 1, light waves are what waves that travel through free space? Who can answer? Yes, excellent, electromagnetic waves. Number 2, which one is the main source of light energy on Earth's surface? Bravo, the sun. Number 3, the glass prism is used to analyze the which light? Yes, excellent, white light into 7 colors. Number 4, the distance that covered by light in 1 second is called? Yay, light speed. Number 5, the velocity of light through space is? Excellent, 300,000 kilometers per second. Number 6, white light is a mixture of 7 colors known as? Yes, perfect, spectrum colors. Give reason light can travel through space because it is the electromagnetic waves which don't need a medium to propagate through. Thank you and goodbye.